Sinisigurado na nila dito ni Victor Wembanyama na hindi na sila dito makakabawi nila ni Anthony Edwards. Pero hindi naman dito pumayag si Atman. Napa-take over mode dito sa Minnesota Timberwolves. Grabe ang pagpaakan na to. Heto ng Game 6 ng Minnesota Timberwolves versus San Antonio Spurs. Magawa kaya nila dito ni Anthony Edwards na maipanalo ito sa kanilang home court sa Target Center Arena? O tuluyan na kaya sila ditong tapusin nila ni Victor Wembanyama para makaabante na sa Western Conference Finals at harapin ang defending champion na Oklahoma City Thunder? Well, simula ng unang quarter, nakasimulan yan dito ni De'Aaron Fox ng 3-pointer sa top of the key at alley-oop pass mula naman kay Victor Wembanyama. Nanggaling naman kay Julius Randle ang first field goal ng Minnesota Timberwolves. Good start naman para dito sa Spurs. Nakapukul naman ng 3 si Stephon Castle. Nagsunod-sunod pa ang field goal dito ng San Antonio Spurs.
Not one. The runners and the floaters. The win. Great players, guards, particularly Castle and Harper.
It's Fox protecting, kick, the jumper is good. Edwards, he was himself again, loud, boisterous. Castle! Edwards, he banks it in and the foul!
Natambakan naman dito sa double figure ang home team. Nagresibo ang opensa dito ni Stephon Castle na kung saan nakapagtala na siya dito ng double digits with total of 11 points.
Reed's gonna have to do it himself. Fires and hits. Johnson in the paint. Upstairs for Wemby. Hard cut. Naz Reed. Reed ball fake. Reed 3. 5. Keldon Johnson. Give it up. Castle's at the hot hand. The fade goes down. Visit the NBA app for the latest info. Conley, the jumper is pure. Johnson forcing the action, couldn't finish. Cornette is there.
Off the bench, Cornette.
Reed, the back end against the crane.
Natapos ang first quarter, lamang ng 9 points ang San Antonio Spurs, 36-27. Leading scoring si Stephon Castle, total of 14 points. Sinimula naman dito ni Dylan Harper to start the second quarter. Pakitang gilas ang Phil-Am guard.
Dug out of there by Fox, lead feed, Wemby, too easy.
Edwards has got to be back earlier.
Bigla na lang ditong napako sa 27 points ang Minnesota Timberwolves na kung saan tinambakan na nila dito mga idol sa 20 points lead.
Randall leads to a break. Bryant and Wembanyama extra. The cell got a 3. Up ahead. Lob it. Bryant can fly.
Timeout ang Minnesota sa score na 52-27. After ng timeout, opensa pa rin dito ng San Antonio Spurs. At dito na nakapag-score ang home team. Back-to-back field goal si Shannon. Pero kailangan ditong tumawag ng timeout ang San Antonio Spurs para hindi dito magtuloy-tuloy ang momentum ng Minnesota.
5 Spurs. Shannon forcing the action.
Patient player in this league.
Fox the flip.
Kick the ball out.
Take it. Now it's Harper. Lines it up. Bullseye.
Nakapagtala naman dito si Anthony Edwards ang 9 points, samantalang si Victor Wembanyama 13 points.
In the Conley screen, turns the corner and soaring to the rim. Edwards takes the runway and kick out. Edwards got a 3.
Masamang pangyayari naman ito, mukhang na-injury pa dito si De'Aaron Fox at agad naman siya ditong napabalik ng locker room.
Edwards, step back 3, book it.
Naibaba naman dito ng 13 points ng Minnesota Timberwolves sa halftime. Leading scoring si Anthony Edwards with total of 21 points, samantalang si Stephon Castle 19 points.